So we have now opened up GarageBand on our iPad here, and this is the first page that we got here. So as you can see, the first thing here is the sound library, and it says download free instruments, sounds, and loops. And we're gonna cover that in a later lecture here. So let's go to the first section here, which is the keyboard. So let's get into the keyboard first. So let's just click on it like that. So now we can see this is our basic keyboard that GarageBand presents us with. So from here, you can choose whatever sound you want in the upper section here. So here you can choose different instruments, different pre-made sounds. So let's say this is the sound that GarageBand has as default. It's called Epic Cloud Formation. But let's say that we want this wandering voices here. So we're gonna go with done, and now we can play here. Like that. Let's see if we have something else maybe here. Let's go for a synth. Classic 80s synth. That sounds nice. So as you can see, you can play either keys, you can create chords, and as you can see, this blue the blue marker there is where you can choose the pitch. So let's say that we have a C, then you can just, while holding your finger, you can drag it to the right side or to the left side to get different pitches. Like that. You can also choose between glissando, scroll, or pitch for the same function here. So if you want to scroll through the different chords here, or the different sections of the keyboard, then you will go to the scroll here. So let's go back to the pitch. Alright, so here we have different settings of this instrument. So the first one is bright, but let's say that we want the filter down here. So as you can see, we have 4 different presets of this sound. And each synth has different presets here. So let's say that we go with depulged synth here, maybe. As you can see, all of the different presets here change to this synth. Like that. You also have the different knobs here, so you can choose how much of the effect you want, how much the cutoff you want, and these knobs can also change to whatever instrument you have selected here. So as you can see now, all the knobs changed as well as soon as we changed the instrument. Like that. Then we have the pitch knob here. This will define how much pitch you want, so let's play a note here. Next one is modulation, same thing there. And here we can choose what octave we're playing, so either we can go with the scroll to find a right key, or you can just scroll through like this instead. Then we have sustain, so let's play a key here. If you want it to be sustained, then just drag it like that, and now it will be locked. So it will play all the time. Then we have the gyro kind of function. So now I'm moving my iPad here, and I will choose different functions depending on how I have my iPad positioned. So if I play a key here now, and I'm physically moving my iPad while doing this. So This is just to be kind of creative here, and as you can see, all of the knobs are moving as well. So this is a kind of cool function here. All right, so then we have scale. So here you can choose different scales. So if we want, let's say we want a major here. So now I get this keyboard instead. And all of these notes here will be in major chord. And then we can choose different chords here as well. So as you can see here, it says choose a scale to play a selection of notes that sound good together. Each scale has a different set of notes that give the scale its unique sound. You can change the note that scale starts on by changing the song key. Then we have the keyboard setting here. So first I'm going to get rid of that. Now we can choose